welcome to Brick Hive. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to Shout Out in a Speed Build number 14. So today's shout out goes to Brickblaze. So Brickblaze was literally, I think, the first LEGO YouTuber to reach out to me. To actually speak to me specifically, and I have to tell you, I'm glad he did. He really made me feel comfortable in the community because, you know, it's I was a little nervous because, you know, there's a bunch of people I don't know, and, you know, everybody it's kind of like getting into a club, you know what I mean? But yeah, so he was very kind, very cool, and like I said, and he's a very chill guy, very fun guy. So yeah. So kudos to Brickblaze for that, appreciate it. So he's also a gamer. He has a show that he does with Bricksmith, and it's called Shooty Time Action Fun Show. So he does that. He also recently played Gauntlet, and I remember playing Gauntlet when I was younger, and that was really cool. I was really happy to see that brought back some nostalgia. He does a lot of different types of videos. He does Lego hauls, and he does game hauls. So, you know, that's pretty cool. So like I said, if you're into video games as well as Lego, you definitely should check him out and subscribe. He's had videos. One of my personal favorites was called 3 Questions. So when he was at, like, you know, the brick fairs or the conventions and stuff like that, him and Bricksmith would go around just asking just random LEGO YouTubers 3 random questions. Well, 2 of them were 2 specific questions, and then the 3rd one was like just some random spontaneous question that I think Bricksmith came up with. But yeah, that was really cool. I like that one a lot. He also does a lot of sig fig trades, so that's pretty cool. Hopefully in the near future I'll have some sig figs made up that I can trade with him on. He does a lot of random giveaways, like contest types of giveaways and stuff like that. I've won the Mandalorian battle pack from him before. So, you know, and he sent that to me. So that was really awesome. So overall, you know, he's a big part of the AFOL community. You know, he's very well known. You know, he's been doing this a while, and he's, like I said, he's a really cool dude. Has some really awesome content, and definitely, you know, like I said, if you're into gaming, you'll definitely like his channel a lot because he does a lot of gaming stuff too. But Brickblaze, you get 4 thumbs up from me. Thank you, my friend. Big shout out to you. And everyone, please go subscribe to his channel. Today's speed build is going to be for this hidden side. What is it called again? The El Fuego's Stunt Plane. Set 70429. Very interesting set. And I bought this for 2 reasons. One, I really wanted to get this, I can't remember his name. I know it's probably on here somewhere. Yeah, Jack. I really wanted to get the hat and hairpiece that Jack has, because that is a really cool piece. I'm trying to make sure I can get it up in here in the camera. But so yeah, I thought that was really cool. Also, I know it's not the big reason to get the set, but I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera or not, but that printed helmet is awesome. It is just really cool. I love it. And I only have 1 plane, and it's the small mail plane that I got. So I was like, man, you know what? Let me get this plane. Very cool set, very cool artwork. As always, hidden side stuff's pretty interesting. I've been hearing rumors that hidden side will be no more soon. I don't know what kind of validity there is to that, but still, it's hard to say with Lego sometimes. But I mean, I've always been kind of 50-50 on the hidden side. I like half of it. It's definitely it's still a very cool theme though. Before I get into the speed build, let me just go ahead and thank all of you for being awesome and just subscribing, interacting, you know, liking videos, chatting on the streams. It means the world to me. So again, thank you all, and I hope that you all have a great day or night. You're staying safe and being well. And if you do like my video, if you like my content, if you think my channel's okay, why don't you go ahead and throw that scorpion spirit, that like button.
Get over here! Outstanding.
Subscribe. Turn the Brick Hive.
Toasty!